Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha. Today we will see how to crochet mouth for cat applique. Please use pink color. We will first make a slip knot. Here we make a slip knot. After slip knot we will make 3 chain crochet stitches. Okay, now in the first chain crochet stitch, we will make 5 double crochet stitches in that first stitch itself. 5 double crochet stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, and there goes 5. Okay, then after that we will make 3 chain crochet stitches again. Now we make 3 chain crochet stitches and join the third stitch or last stitch with the first stitch from where we started everything. Yeah, with the slip stitch. So we are almost done now. Now the last round is there. For last round we will just make 1 slip stitch in each single stitch. That's it. 1 slip stitch in each single stitch all around, and then done. Our teeny tiny mouth is ready for applique. Okay, I'll just complete this and I'll show you final piece. That's how a pink mouth part will look. Now we'll go for black. Okay. Please use black yarn. As usual, we will be starting with the slip knot. Here I make my slip knot. After slip knot, we will make 3 chain crochet stitches. Now we will join first and the last stitch with the slip stitch. And we will make a chain crochet stitch. Now because of joining the first and last stitch, see, we get a very small circle, a tiny circle in between, tiny gap in between. It is small but it is big enough for a needle to pass through. So now we will make 20 double crochet stitches, and each time we will yarn over, insert a needle in that tiny circle, and just don't take that free end yarn into your stitches. And this is how we will make a double crochet stitch. Okay, so we are going to make 20 double crochet stitches. Each time we will yarn over, insert a needle in that tiny circle, grab the yarn, pull through, and complete a double crochet stitch. Similar pattern, we are going to make 20 double crochet stitches. Okay, see, yarn over, insert the needle, pull the yarn, and make a double crochet stitch. Just following same way, make 20 double crochet stitches. So this is how it looks after completing. Now we will join first and last stitch with the slip stitch. Following exactly same pattern, make 2 black circles. See, this is how a kitty cat mouth will look. Now this is our final piece. This you have to stitch on cat applique in mouth place. Just make sure that pink part is not visible a lot. It should be very little tiny. If you have liked the video, please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. And if you have already subscribed, thank you. Thanks a lot. And those who have not yet subscribed, I will request you to please subscribe YouTube channel Sanjs Aasha, as I am coming up with lots and lots of new videos. See, this is how it is going to look on the cat applique. And if you search through my channel, you will get tutorial video for many appliques and like curtain tie backs and coasters and doilies and table center pieces and crochet keychains and many more are there. So please like, comment, share and subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. Please subscribe Sanjs Aasha YouTube channel. Thank you.